Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a super simple oatmeal scrub that you can also leave on as a mask. I wanted to show you a close-up of the dry patches I get on my face, which is one of the main reasons I love using this scrub. And with the winter weather, it's been getting a little bit drier than usual. The main areas I get these dry patches are around my mouth, and then like on the sides of my nose, and also my forehead. Now let me show you my go-to dry skin remedy. The 3 ingredients are oats, or you can use oat flour. And I also use organic honey. And lastly, I use organic virgin coconut oil. Things you're going to need are a mixing bowl, 1 cup of oats, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and something to mix with. Okay, so if you're not using oat flour, we're going to take our cup of oats and blend it up in a blender until it becomes a fine powder. As you can see, it basically resembles the texture of flour. We're going to pour that into our mixing bowl and then add our other 2 ingredients, the coconut oil and the honey. Now we're going to mix until everything is mixed evenly. And this is what you should end up with. I'm using one of the cosmetic containers I use for my skincare business, but you can use any container to store this in. And that's pretty much it. So easy, super simple, and it's so worth having around. By the way, it smells absolutely amazing. I promise you, you're gonna want to eat it. Now I'm going to show you how I use this as a mask. Wet your skin with warm water, then you simply just begin applying it evenly onto your face. Also, adding a little bit of water will help the oatmeal mask spread. Once you spread it out evenly, you're good to go. And we are going to leave this on for about 10 minutes. After a few minutes, you will notice it begins to dry. When time is up, you add water, and then you're going to begin to exfoliate. So we're not going to wash it off yet. We're going to exfoliate by rubbing it in circular motions. This really helps to remove dry, dead skin. The oatmeal itself is naturally cleansing, moisturizing, and reduces inflammation. So it's really good for acne, eczema, and any other dry skin conditions. Coconut oil is obviously super hydrating and moisturizing. Honey has antibacterial and moisturizing properties, and also helps to remove impurities from the skin. After you're done exfoliating, you're going to rinse with warm water and pat dry. So these are my results, and I got my little mini-me here with me showing off his little natural glow. He saw the lighting and understood the assignment. Anyways, my skin is so soft and it's so smooth. I didn't add any other type of moisturizer and my skin is literally glowing. And this mask is something that I probably use at least once a week or just as needed. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more all-natural skincare DIYs and holistic lifestyle videos. You can also keep up with me on TikTok and Instagram, where I usually post daily.